How to activate the one-click purchase in your funnel step. One-time offers, also known as OTOs or upsell offers, are a great way that you can put a special offer after your normal two-step order form page. This means the customer has already purchased your main offer and you want to offer them an upsell product. The great thing about that one-click option is since you already have their credit card information, this is just one extra add-on and it only takes one simple click. Let's start with the funnel builder. The first step is go to the funnel, choose or create the step where you want the upsell to be. Please note it must be after the two-step order form. Edit the page. It will take you to the next page, which is in the funnel builder. The next step is once you're inside the funnel builder, click on the button that you'd like to prompt the one-click purchase. From there, on the left-hand side under the button settings, you can scroll down to button actions, select one-click upsell or downsell product, choose your product, select a redirect action, and save. You're all set.